Hello everyone, this module is a Laravel Marketplace USPS Shipping module, which is a marketplace add-on, so you first need to install the Laravel Multi-Vendor Marketplace. This module helps your online marketplace display accurate shipping charges through USPS for customer orders. It allows each seller to use their own USPS account so customers get correct delivery rates and options at checkout. Now, moving to the installation and configuration of Laravel Marketplace USPS Shipping, here's the step-by-step process. Once the configuration is done, let's move to the admin panel. Open your admin dashboard for the admin side setup. Here is how to configure this module. Click on Configure, then go to Sales. Click on Shipping Methods. In Shipping Methods, you will find Marketplace USPS. Enter your title here. This will be shown during the checkout process. You can also enter a description. You can enable or disable the status. Enter your user ID and password. Choose the mode, development or live. Choose your container and select the size, regular or large. Enter length, width, and height. Then choose machinable, yes or no. Allowed methods, and whether sellers are allowed to save USPS details, yes or no, then enter your error message. Click on Save Configuration. Once the admin has completed the configuration, switch to the seller side. Click on Seller Login to open the seller dashboard. The seller will now see a new option, USPS Shipping. Click on USPS Shipping, then enter your account ID and password and click Save. Now, go to the customer side. The customer can choose any product. Once the item is added to the cart, click Continue to Checkout. Enter the billing address information, first name, last name, email, street address, country, state, city, zip code, and telephone number. Click Proceed. You will now see shipping method options. Choose USPS Shipping, then select a payment method. Click on Place Order. Your order is now successfully placed. Go back to the seller's dashboard. Go to Orders. Here you can see the recently placed order. Click on the arrow to expand details. Now click on Invoice. Click Create Invoice to generate it. You can view the invoice in the Invoice tab, and the status will change to Processing. Click on Ship to create a shipment. Enter the carrier title, tracking ID, and choose Product Order Source, then click on Create Shipment. The shipment is successfully created. You can view it in the Shipment tab, and the status changes from processing to completed. You can view further details, billing address, shipping method, and payment method. That's all for this video. If you are looking to upgrade your marketplace shipping, this is a strong option. Thank you for watching.